Quooker is the manufacturer of the boiling water tap, the first boiling water tap in the world. The company now is 35 years old. We are celebrating this year, and we are always expanding to new countries, expanding our products, designing new products, but also a new appliance in the kitchens. When I started here, I was a graduate student and I designed the combi, Quooker combi, to make warm water also out of the boiling water tap. As I already had experience with SOLIDWORKS, I started here to design it in SOLIDWORKS, but the company didn't have SOLIDWORKS at that time. So when I started in 2002, there was another program, and I believed that it was not the future program to work with. So I introduced SOLIDWORKS because I already worked with it during my college years. It works very easy, SOLIDWORKS. It works fine to learn it very fast. You do the designing in SOLIDWORKS itself, and you can easily translate or change all your ideas with the trees working and making your design complete.
We are designing a new assembly line for the fusion tap, so this is going to be one part of the new assembly line. We're using two programs. This is the SOLIDWORKS, so just drawing the cut files, but we're using the PDM as well, because we have a lot of aluminum profiles, as you can see over here, and we use the PDM design library to make sure we don't have to draw them all over again.
We use in Quooker not only SOLIDWORKS but also the add-ins. We introduced in 2008 PDM Enterprise for our part data management. Our part data management is done on revision based for change management, and also to have only one file which you can manufacturing from. It speeded up our designing time. It helped us a lot to expand. And also, we always have worked with students. They already have their experience to work with SOLIDWORKS.
It works nice. It can handle quite big assemblies. That's rather important to us. We use a lot of components in the lightweight as well to make sure it's going to be functional in a rather fast way. And such an assembly line will be like 5,000 or 6,000 components, so that's why we need it to be rather fast. And later on we are probably going to use Composer as well for the work instructions which will be used on the assembly line. That's the future version.
When we introduced SOLIDWORKS and of course flow simulations, we had some problems that we didn't know what was happening inside the tap and the tank. And with flow simulation, but also with Cosmos and with forces inside the tank or the tap, you can see that you have some awareness in the product, or you have lime scale, or you have temperature transitions to the outside. The added value of design solutions for us as a supplier of SOLIDWORKS, but also EPDM and of course the other add-ins, is that it's really personal company. They are sort of colleagues inside Quooker. We already work with them since the beginning that we introduced SOLIDWORKS. So also a very long time. So they know our challenges, they know what we expect from SOLIDWORKS and the add-ons. We are growing as a company, we are expanding to other countries, and also maybe we will manufacture in other countries. We still do it in Holland, and that's the aim that we have. What SOLIDWORKS can help is that we are looking for new systems. They can help us. and that could be PLM 3D experience. And also the add-ons like Delmio and Innovia could help us expanding in the future to grow.